Good morning. It's it's a Sunday morning, February the 8th, I believe. Me and Richard Upchurch, we're at Mingo Falls up in Cherokee. We were going to go to Soco Falls, but it's blocked off, so we're not sure. We're going to see if we can find a place to park and maybe hike to it if we have to. But we want to come to Mingo Falls just because we're in the area and we didn't want to come home with nothing. So I'm going to take you up to Mingo Falls. It's 161 steep steps, and see if we can get this waterfall. It's one of the largest waterfalls in the Appalachian Mountains, and over 100-foot drop. So I'm curious to see how it does, and I've got my Nikon Z9 with some filters. We're going to see what happens and see if we can't get some good shots. And I'll be filming and as we go and show you some behind the scenes. And once again, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. So this is what the steps look like. We're going up Mingo Falls. Like I said, it's 161. It doesn't look like the steps are that steep. But I'm at the bottom. I've only took 2 steps, so we'll see. There's Richard. He's in front of me. He's setting up his Pocket 3. And just past him is those steep steps. And we're old and in our 50s, so we're going to take this slow. We're only ones here. A few people come out before when we were pulled up, and they're gone. They said it was worth it, so we're going to see. Looks like it is well maintained. It did rain overnight, but we're here and the sun's coming up. It's about, I don't know, just after sunrise. So the sun's coming up, a few clouds in the sky. Should be a good day. That's the way down. I can feel my heartbeat. It's going to be easier going down than coming up. Not a bad hike. I am at the foot trail. I can hear the water. I can see a waterfall over here on my right, down in that hole. Kind of taking my time since it rained last night and everything's wet. I definitely don't want to slip and fall. You can probably hear the waterfall in the background. I can hear the water rushing over these rocks. Looks like it's a pretty good flow. I imagine that if it was heavy rain last night, that it would be really flowing. The trail is very good. If it got any damage from the hurricane, Helene, they've done a great job of cleaning it up. The path is, in most places, 4 feet wide. Like I said, it looks like they've done a good job. There again, or once again, we're here by ourselves. There's nobody here. That'll probably change. We'll have to see what we can get. I do see signs that says trail is closed for repair. We can't go past this area right up above me. So we're gonna have to get creative. There's a wooden platform right there. A bridge, if you will, that goes to the other side. We may just have to maybe get creative with some shots. Maybe get under that bridge, get in the water. I got my water boots on, so we'll see what we can get. A lot of timber in the creek. May be interesting, may not be. Well, we're not going to waste the trip just to come up here. Here we are. Oh wow. There's the waterfall. And like I said, it's over 100 feet tall, and you can see down here at the bottom. Hey guys, we are here at Mingo Falls up in Cherokee Valley, North Carolina. The 161 steps up here, not bad. Not bad for a 55-year-old man with a, 56-year-old man. You can see the falls behind me. The path is closed today, so we can't get off this. We can't get on the trail, if you will. But I'm not sure we could have anything to even record anyway, or take pictures of. But we're gonna see what we can get. And as soon as I get my camera set up, I am shooting with the Nikon Z9. I do have a 1430 in case I want to get the whole scene, wide scene, and I also have my 2470. So we're gonna see what we get. Thanks again for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, give me a comment. If you've ever been here before, let me know what you thought about this place. Did you see it with more water going through? So let me know what you think. We're gonna flip around here. This is the other side. We don't want to zoom out. And I'm going to zoom back around. Here you see Richard, my photography buddy. He's fixing to go to Germany Tuesday and get another feel for Europe. And here's where we're at. So we're going to see what we get. Mingo Falls, Cherokee Valley, North Carolina. Pretty cool. I mean, it is what it is. I like it. So here's my setup. I'm shooting at 1/20th of a second. I'm at 5.6 on my aperture. I'm an ISO 100. That's my base ISO. I do have a 2-second timer on my camera so that there's no shake, no movement, and I am on my Ulanzi tripod. I want to show you what my composition is. And I'm doing horizontal right now. I will shoot vertical here in a minute. I just want to kind of get a couple of shots of this. With this waterfall being over 100 feet tall, I'm going to have to go vertical. I did just do a focus stack. I did 3 photos where I focused on one. I focused right there where that log's coming into the water. And then I focused the second little part of the waterfall up there. And then I focus on the main waterfall back. And then in post, I'll focus stack these and see what that leads to. So I moved over down to the edge and I switched to a horizontal. I'm trying to get that far right side of that little trickle of water. And I'll show you what my composition is. Once again, I went vertical. I went horizontal. I went vertical, sorry. And let me turn this on so you can see what my composition is. Shutter speed 1.5 seconds, 1.6 seconds. I'm at f8 at ISO 100. We're going to take this photo and see what happens. 2-second delay, and then we'll see what this picture looks like. Let's see, and that's the photo. Turned out pretty good. I am getting a little blown out up there at the top with I told you it was the sun come out. Now it's starting to get a little bit cloudy. The clouds are moving in, but it's going to be a blue sky day for sure. So we'll see what we can get. I'm going to change this back down to f5.6. I think I like it a little bit better on this camera with this lens. And proper exposure is showing 1.5 seconds or 1 1/3 seconds. But we're going to drop it down just a little bit more to 1 1/3. 2-second delay. There goes the photo. Then that's what it looks like. Looks like a nice shot. We're kind of limited to where we can go because of the trail is closed, and then there's a lot of this timber in the water. So it's kind of keeping us on this platform, but it's not a big deal because right now we're by ourselves. There's no one else here. And I may go down to this side over here and do just some photos in the water to see what we get. Just kind of help with the composition, maybe with this bridge. So we'll see. We're enjoying it. Still a better day. It's a Sunday. We got nothing to do. It's Super Bowl Sunday. And there's Richard. He was filming me a while ago, so I thought I'd film him. He's shooting with a Sony today. I think he's already put his stuff up. So we kind of moved down our composition just a little bit. You're all right. Trying to maximize every little place we can get here. Since we can't go up on that any further than that walkway, we kind of come down the river a little bit. And we're just trying different things. There's a cool little waterfall right over there. Just coming off the side. We're going to use that to our advantage and see what we can get with that. We're going to try to walk back down through here without breaking a leg. Richard's there in front of me, and it's gotten busy. There's several people with the dog here getting water, and looks like we got here at the right time. So, like I said, I'm going to try to walk through here without busting my tail and breaking a leg. And if Richard falls, I'll have it on camera. All right, we're walking back down. Hopefully it won't be as bad going down as it was coming up. Well, it wasn't too bad. Just enough to get your heart going just a little bit. Burning a few calories. As I mentioned earlier, it's gotten real busy. There's probably been 12, 15 people come, which is not uncommon because this place is right on the, it's got a parkway. I mean, it's near the Blue Ridge Parkway. Plus it has a good parking lot. So, I mean, it's a gravel parking lot, but it's easy accessible. Easy accessible. There's Richard, he's doing some filming. Just on some nice little trail. Good Sunday morning trek. It's about a 2-hour drive for where we live to get here. Once again, we're going to go to Soku Falls, and the parking lot's blocked, so we're not sure if we're going to try it again because we're going that way back home and see if maybe we can get down there. It's a much strenuous hike, but the payoff should be good. I am videoing this with the Pocket 3. I hope I got my settings right. The last 2 times I've tried to film with this thing, I've done a time lapse and slow motion, and I'm not sure how I did that, but I tried to double check my settings this time. Hopefully we got something good, and I've got my wireless mic on, so here we are, starting to go back down the steps. Not bad. Nice handrails. Just take it slow, you'll be fine. Get over here where we can see the way down. You can see the parking lot down there. Not too bad. 161 steps according to Google. Parts of the trail is like this, but you do have a handrail, and I'm going to use it because it rained last night. It's very slippery. I can feel it under my hiking boots. One thing about North Carolina, everybody's friendly. It's a great state. Has coast, mountains, valleys, rivers, everything you need for a photographer and camping. It's got wonderful campgrounds, primitive if you want to camp in a tent. It's got excellent KOA hookups if you're in a big camper. But everybody's super nice. Everywhere I go in the state, we run into nice people that really love their state, really take pride in their state. The state took a huge hit back in September with the hurricane, and billions of dollars worth of damage. And everybody's come together, and they're just now getting back to where a lot of those stores are open from the damage up around Lake Lure and Chimney Rock and Asheville. So if you're in the area, please stop by some of these mom and pop places. Spend a few dollars, give them a little money, and let them know you appreciate them, you're glad they made it back, and support small business. If you like this channel, please give me a like and a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Thanks again.